Capacitance of a capacitor partially filled with the dielectric. This is a capacitor plate of area A, and the dielectric with the dielectric constant K is partially filled between the plate. It means, what is the electric field? This is the applied electric field, E naught, applied electric field. Here also the applied electric field is equal to E naught by K. Since K is equal to 1, so here E is equal to E naught in air. Here also E is equal to E naught. Now what about the electric field inside the dielectric? This is the applied electric field E naught. So here electric field inside the dielectric is equal to applied electric divided by dielectric. So electric field is always inside the dielectric is equal to electric field inside a dielectric field is equal to applied electric field divided by the dielectric constant. If K is equal to 1, this will become E naught. If K is equal to K, this will be this one. And it is having a thickness of T. And this is having a thickness of D. Therefore, if E naught is the electric field between the plates where dielectric is absent, because here the dielectric is absent, here the dielectric is absent, here the dielectric is present. Dielectric is the dielectric constant K. So what is this place? This is D, this is T. So the thickness, with the thickness is equal to D minus T, because this E naught and this E naught exist with the D minus T portion, this and these are existing. As we know, potential between the potential is equal to electric field into thickness, we say. Now for this portion, now what is potential? Potential for this portion is equal to this place, this, that is potential this place is equal to epsilon naught D into epsilon naught D into what is this place, this thickness and this thickness is equal to D minus T, because D minus T is this portion and this portion is equal to D minus T plus potential. What is the potential here? Potential here is equal to E into the thickness. E into thickness. See, you know, E naught, applied electric field in the air, is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. Sigma by epsilon naught, where sigma is equal to Q by A into epsilon naught. Q by A into epsilon naught, or this we can say V here is equal to epsilon naught into D minus T plus what is E here? E here is equal to epsilon naught divided by K into T. So we can take out the epsilon E naught outside. This is applied electric field outside, and D minus T plus T by K. This is a potential. As it is, how to find out? Since Q is equal to CV and capacitor of the entire thing, that is, with this capacitor partially filled with the dielectric, and air is here, this is dielectric, is equal to C is equal to Q by V, which is equal to Q, the total potential in between the plates, is equal to E naught, where we can write V is equal to, what is E naught? E naught is equal to Q by A into epsilon naught into D minus T plus T by K. So E by epsilon naught, instead of Q by V we can write is equal to Q by A epsilon naught into D minus T plus T by K. This can cancel. Therefore, capacitance for this entire thing is equal to A into epsilon naught divided by D minus T plus T by K. Suppose if we are having between the plates, we are having dielectric n dielectric with K1, K2 and thickness T1, T2 like this, T3 up to n, Tn with difference, with total separation between the plate. This is minus Q and plus Q. If there are n numbers, see from here n number of this capacitance of the entire thing can be written as A into epsilon naught divided by D is same minus, we can write T1, T2, T3 up to n, T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus up to plus Tn for this one plus this for this one T1 by K1 plus T2 by K2 plus T3 by K3 plus Tn by Kn. We can write like this. If there are n dielectric between the plates, this is the equation for the capacitance of this arrangement. Or in general, this is the for a single dielectric filled in between the plates. This is the A into epsilon naught D minus T divided by T by K, where T is equal to thickness. T is equal to thickness of dielectric, and as it is A, what is A? A is the area of these plates, area of the capacitor plates. Capacitance of a capacitor when space between plate is completely filled with a conducting slot. This is the plate and the space between the plate is completely filled with a conductor. It means here this is T, thickness of the T is equal to thickness of dielectric, and D is equal to separation between plates, and K is equal to dielectric constant, which is equal to infinity. Okay, now we have already derived when the space between the capacitor plate is filled with dielectric, the capacitor is given by C is equal to epsilon naught A divided by D minus T plus T by K. Now, since what is electric field here? Electric field inside is equal to applied electric field divided by K, where K is equal to infinity, which is equal to 0. Inside the electric field is equal to 0. Now, since D is equal to T, or D minus T is equal to 0. D minus T is equal to 0 and K is equal to infinity. We can write the capacitance in this case is equal to epsilon naught A divided by what is D minus T. D minus D is equal to 0 plus T, thickness divided by K, is equal to epsilon naught into A divided by 0 plus T by, this is where T is equal to, see T by K is equal to T by infinity is equal to 0, because K is equal to infinity, T by infinity is equal to 0. So R epsilon naught A divided by 0. So in this case C is equal to infinity, because anything divided by 0 is equal to infinity. Therefore, by introducing conducting slab, the capacitance of the parallel plate becomes infinity. That is, what case? When it is fully occupying the entire thickness, entire distance between the plates. In that case, the capacitor of this capacitor, when conducting slab is fully occupying the space between the plates, that time the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitors becomes infinity.